I'm about to share 10 insane facts that you didn't know about animals. Hey everyone, welcome to Factastrophe. Get ready to be blown away. Fact number 1. Polar bears touch noses when they greet each other. When one bear approaches another, especially if it's near a food source, touching noses is a way of politely asking permission to share food or territory. This respectful gesture helps avoid conflict, which is essential for polar bears, since food can be scarce in the Arctic. Polar bears generally lead solitary lives, so this nose touching is both a way of saying, I'm not a threat, and can we be friends? So apart from being really cute, it's also a survival strategy too. Fact number 2. Dolphins have names. These notoriously smart sea creatures have their own special way of communicating. But did you know they actually give each other names? Yes, every dolphin has a unique whistle that other dolphins recognise, just like a name. Not only that, but they can remember these names for decades, which is almost more impressive. Fact number 3. Sloths digest their meals very slowly. Now we all know that they're famous for being slow, but did you know that they even digest their food slowly? Like, really slowly. It can take a sloth up to a month to digest a single meal. They have one of the slowest metabolisms on Earth, which helps them conserve energy, which is perfect for their chilled out lifestyle. But imagine taking a month to digest your lunch. Well, that's commitment to the role. Fact number 4. Elephants can hear through their feet. Like the dolphin, elephants have a very fascinating form of communication. They can actually hear through their feet. Yeah, you heard that right. Elephants pick up seismic vibrations from the ground that help them sense things like distant danger or even other elephants. They use their feet to sense some of these low frequency vibrations from as far as 20 miles away. Not only that, but research has shown that elephants are capable of recognizing calls and voices of particular individuals from 1 to 1.5 kilometers, or just under a mile away. So, if you're ever around elephants, just remember, they hear everything that you're saying about them, and they never forget. Or do they? Fact number 5. Elephants can forget. The famous saying is in fact not true. However, they do have phenomenal memories. Elephants rely heavily on their memory. Researchers have found that they not only recognise one another, but they can also recall routes to food and water sources. So in reality, although it is possible for an elephant to forget, if they want to remember it, they will. Fact number 6. Gentoo penguins propose with pebbles. Okay, this next fact is adorable. Gentoo penguins have their very own version of a proposal, and it involves a pebble. When a male penguin finds the perfect pebble, he presents it to his potential mate as a kind of proposal. If she accepts it, they become a mated pair, and they use that pebble to help build their nest together. This gesture is a symbol of love and commitment in the Gentoo penguin world. How adorable. Fact number 7. Butterflies taste with their feet. It's true. Their taste sensors are located on their legs, so when they land on a plant, they're basically doing a taste test by standing on it. When a butterfly lands on a plant, sensors on their feet can detect the chemical composition of the surface. This helps them determine whether the plant is suitable for laying eggs, or if it's a good source of nectar. This is sometimes why you'll see a butterfly move on quite quickly after coming to a stop. This ensures that butterflies find the perfect food sources, which is essential for their survival and reproduction. Fact number 8. Giraffes sleep very little. Giraffes might be known for their long necks, but here's another crazy fact about them. They sleep for only 5 to 30 minutes a day, and they do this in tiny little naps, usually just a few minutes at a time. This is because they're on the constant lookout for predators, so it's safer for them to just snooze for a few minutes here and there. Imagine surviving on that little sleep. Giraffes sleep less than any other mammal in the wild. They manage to stay energized on an average of just 30 minutes of sleep each day. What's more, when giraffes do sleep, it's usually in brief intervals. They need these quick naps because of the constant threat of predators. When they do lie down, giraffes may tuck their heads onto their backs, but it's rare, as sleeping lying down can leave them vulnerable to predators. This need to stay on guard means that wild giraffes rarely sleep for more than a few minutes at a stretch. Fact number 9. Sea otters hold hands while sleeping. When they sleep, they often hold hands with each other. This hand holding, or rafting as it's called, isn't just for show. It's actually an important way for otters to stay together and prevent drifting apart in the ocean's currents while they sleep. By holding onto each other, or even wrapping themselves in kelp, otters form little rafts to keep them from floating away. This helps them stay safe and connected, even when they're napping. Practical, but cute. I like it. Fact number 10. Reindeer can change the colour of their eyes. Reindeer, or caribou, have something truly remarkable to help them survive Arctic winters. Their eyes actually change colour with the seasons. In the summer, a reindeer's eyes are a bright golden colour, but as winter sets in, these eyes shift to a deep blue. Why? The blue colour allows their eyes to capture more light, which is crucial in a region where sunlight can be scarce for months on end. It's like a natural night vision goggle, which helps them to see predators, navigate terrain, and find food. So reindeer can thrive in even the most challenging conditions the Arctic has to offer. So there you have it, 10 incredible animal facts. I hope you found these as fascinating as I did. There is still so much to know about the world around us, so if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts. Let me know in the comments which fact was your favourite and if you knew any of them. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. This has been a Factastrophe, and I'll see you in the next video.